In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize images for Etsy using Canva. This quick tutorial will help you make sure your images are the perfect size for your Etsy shop, enhancing your listings and attracting more potential buyers. Whether you're a seasoned Etsy seller or just starting out, making sure your images are properly formatted is crucial for maintaining a professional appearance. To begin, you need to be logged into Canva with a Canva Pro account. The Pro version provides access to the Resize tool, which is essential for this process. Once you're ready, open the design you would like to resize. On the top toolbar, you'll notice a button labeled Resize. Go ahead and click on it. This tool is fantastic as it allows you to easily change the dimensions of your designs without losing any quality. After you've clicked on Resize, you'll see a drop-down menu. From here, select the Custom Size option, which will allow you to input the specific dimensions you need for Etsy. Etsy recommends using images that are 3000 pixels wide by 2250 pixels tall. This size ensures that your images are high quality and look great on their platform, providing the clarity and detail that can make your product stand out. Once you've entered the dimensions of 3000 by 2250 pixels, the next step is quite straightforward. You'll see an option labeled Resize this design. Click on it and Canva will automatically adjust your design to these new dimensions. One of the best features about using Canva is that it intelligently resizes the elements within your design, doing its best to maintain the original layout and aesthetic while adapting to the new size. While Canva does most of the heavy lifting, it's important to review your resized design afterward. There might be some minor adjustments needed to ensure everything looks as you intended. Text boxes or images might require some tweaking, but these are generally quick and easy fixes. And that's it. You've successfully resized your image for Etsy using Canva in just a few simple steps. By ensuring your images are the optimal size for Etsy, you make it easier for customers to view and appreciate your products, ultimately contributing to better sales. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy designing and best of luck with your Etsy shop.